to my channel. Hi, hello, welcome if you are new. I usually post Thursdays and Sundays when life is not lifing. Let me tell you, I'm not gonna tell you, life has been lifing lately or not, and I'm not a fan. Do not recommend. The things going on in life, like life in general, great, 13 out of 10, totally recommend. I'd probably go back a second time. It's good. Anywho, today we're going to be opening up my Boxycharm by Ipsy box bag. October 2025, 2024. Oh, we were just talking about 2025 and 2026 and the plans and things we want to do. This year, right now, currently, this video, what did they say? Star date 2024. This is October. Hi, 2024. Oh my gosh, my poor little brain. And this is my Boxycharm by Ipsy. That's it. There's no more. There's not a bag. There's not a box. There's not a container type item named in the this is it. And if you're new, I'll leave some information in the description. Grab my KIMCHI knife. I should start to keep it like closer, you know. So anyway, KIMCHI knife. Open her up. Love this stuff. She comes every month. Like other people. Monthly subscription, great stuff. You do get different discounts depending on if you do like 3 months, 6 months, yearly. I think I do the yearly. Good stuff. So it's basically like, I think you get like a month for free. Oh, I forgot. I need to pull up the app. Here she is when you open her. Beautiful, beautiful box on the outside, by the way. And on the inside, it's full. I think I did that. I'm 100% sure I did that. So let me get that app loaded. Okay. All right, I got the app pulled up. Before we get into the app, let's go over this cute little thingy that's included. If you've seen my Ipsy glam bag video for October 2024, not October 2025, this may look familiar. This is the Boxycharm October 2024. Kind of gives you a little bit about what's going on, like the theme or vibes for the month is beauty nightmares, which, like, hello. Try these 3 Halloween looks if you dare for beauty frights lurking around the corner. Nope, not about that, no. And on the inside, there is not really a whole lot of helpful information about what you get. There's stuff about what you can get, but like, and then the looks you can do, and like the beautiful, and then, oh, you can do the advent calendar, which like I thought about, but I'm like, no, I'm good. Anywho, I do have my app pulled up on my phone, so we're gonna go through this together and see what I got. I don't know what's going on with this hair. She just wants to be a bother. That's okay. The first item is a lip scrub. Do you want to take any guesses as to how much she costs? It's a lip scrub. This is it. I do have a big head, just for size measurement. It's the LISH Lip Scrub Polished Pout. It doesn't say that on here. It just says LISH Cosmetics Lip Scrub Polished Pout Balm. But she's $19. For what I would like to know, what do you do? Uncomplicated beauty. Then why are we so expensive? I want to look at her. If she's expensive, I would like to have an idea why. So this is the teeniest, tiniest, little babiest, just for reference. And Like, throwing this out there. This is $19. I have a ColourPop lip scrub. They come about this size, and I think they're like $8. What's going on here? What's going on? Yeah, no. Does it smell good though? Like, that could be. Either my sniffers like on the fritz, or there's no smell. No. Vegan, cruelty free, that's all it says. There's no directions on how to use it either. Huh. Okay. I'm familiar with lip scrubs and how to use them, I guess, but $19. We'll see. I probably would never willingly purchase something like that small for $19 unless she magically changes my lips. Which maybe it does. Maybe it does. It might. We'll see. Uh-oh. So I do like this brand. It is GIRKACTIK. This is so freaking pretty. Look at this box. Can you even see it? Like, immediate just shine. So pretty. So beautiful. So this is $35. It's the GIRKACTIK Rose Petal Dewy Face Mist. Hydrate and set. Oh, it's a setting mist. I thought you were like a nice hydrating, like one of those skin, kind of like this guy, but not just water, but like, what do you call it? Like with the vitamins and stuff, and you just spray and it does a little moisture, does a little happy dance, you know. Is that in the picture? That's in the picture. What? What? Do you see what I'm seeing with your eyes, with my eyes? Do you see this? She's... You want me to put this on my face? No. No. This is nice though. What are those guys in there? Hello, fishy. What is those? I get what you're trying to do, like the rose petal. I want to smell it. I do. Like, it's got a piece of tape and I just, like, I want to smell it. It's good for 24 months after you open it, but like, there's no guarantee I will. If product gets into eyes, rinse well with water. Gently shake the Rose Petal Dewy Face Mist. I did that gently. Close your eyes and mist lightly onto your entire face with 3 to 4 sprays 6 inches away. Apply before makeup to hydrate or after makeup for a moisturizing boost of smoothing hydration and a dewy finish. I don't want a dewy finish. I can't help it. I'm going to open this. I need to know if it smells like roses. If it does, she's a gift. I don't. Oh, that's cute. I don't like the smell of rose. I feel like that was definitely my Nana's thing. Not my thing. It's not strong. There's like a baby powder slash like, what would you call it? It's very a little softy in here. It's not terrible. I keep it. It's light enough. I'll keep it. I have one right now. What is the one I have right now? Manakadar? Something like that. I have a face spray from them. Works really good. Smells similar. I'll have to use it and try it. I'm not giving it away, so I'll just try it, I guess. We'll see. $35. Plus, I love GIRKACTIK, so. Oh, this is cute. So this is $32. Which is, okay, it's from Living Proof. It does not look like a full-size item. it looks smaller than a full-size item, right? Like maybe travel or mini. I'd say travel. But this is from Living Proof. It's the Full Thickening Blow Dry Cream. Thickens and body. Do not thicken my body. There is enough thicken there. Apply to clean, damp, detangled hair starting mid-length to ends. Comb through, blow dry for a with a round brush. Dry brush, bra bra bra. There goes my speaking ability. Oh, that's it. Blow dry with a round brush. Cool. You're tiny. I've been kind of starting to do that a little bit lately. If you've seen my Revlon, it's Revlon, right? I'm pretty sure it's Revlon. The blow dry brush. I made a video. I made 2 actually. Because like I've learned. And I love her now. I use her often. So I use the blow dry brush. So I feel like this might come in handy. Right? Right? $32 though. I think my favorite inexpensive hair product brand is Not Your Mother's. That's a good brand. Their apple something, anything apple something, like the shampoo. Oh, so good. So good. Takes me right back to those days when I did the swab in the bathtub and my mom's over there just spraying the detangler, praying for a miracle before she cut my hair. Good times. For someone, not for me, but anywho, this next item is a little open, but that's okay because I'm gonna open it anyway. $35 from Makeup Forever, which I do love the foundation from Makeup Forever, and I think this setting spray, or whatever you want to call it, spray. So it's the Mist and Fix 24-hour hydrating setting spray. I think it's, oh, maybe it's Smashbox I'm thinking of. No, it's Makeup Forever, I'm pretty sure. This looks so freaking gorgeous, the box. Yeah, she looks nice. Made in France. Our makeup artist ultimate tip for 24-hour performance. Cool. Tested on 25 subject. Cool. I don't have high hopes. I have super oily skin. I don't know if you can tell, I sat down and powdered my face right before I started filming, and like we're starting to peek the shine through. And I also don't want to add hydration to it because that, to me, hydration on an oily face just means more oils. And I'm not about that life. No. $35. And then on to the 5th and final item. 5 full size, this is the 5th. I'm kind of excited because I've been wanting to try this brand for a while, like on and off, but I haven't had like a really good reason to like go all out because I don't want to just buy onesie, twosie. I want to buy like a bunch of stuff. And I've been listening / watching Beautiful and Bothered, and I know they bring up kimchi, and I was like, why not? Why not? Like, it's one of my options to select. I know I have setting powders, but I want to try this. The Set and Bake Powder. Puff Puff Pass in translucent. Oh. Lock in your concealer and set foundation all day. Lightly press on top of the skin. Let sit for 1 to 5 minutes. Dust off excess powder for an all-day glam look. You bet. Ew. Ah! We are sealed on both sides. Open. Okay. Oh, shut the front. Do you not? Oh. Set your makeup. Gorgeous fine powder and Shalding. Slayage. Even when you cry. I'm about to cry. Do you see how freaking cute this is? Look at the packaging. And I don't know if I mentioned this is translucent. Look How, look at the sticker. Yummy Cutie Pie Donut. I wish I could take this and put this on like my little Stanley cup. Can I? No. I tore the little. But look. And then you have the sweetest little freaking wrapping. Oh, this is kind of open. Come on. Nope. Don't. I know. You don't want to separate. Look at this. Look at this. Is that not amazing? Like, somebody saw what ColourPop did and was like, let me have a go. Kind of already open, but that's okay. You come with a puff? Shut up. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh. Oh my gosh. Oh. I need a moment. If you could just. Oh my gosh. Wow. She is soft. She is fluffy. This is cute. Oh, look at that. I don't know how well you'll be able to see, but the little holes are in the shape of 2 hearts. Very cute. Pop that off. Pop this in there. I don't want to get this dirty. It says Kimchi Chic Beauty. This is the soft. I don't want to touch my face with it because I have makeup on, but oh my gosh. Okay. The rest of you can go. This is so good. That's it. That's it. And she's a chunky, good size. Wow. This is not fair to the rest of you, because that's everything. For my box, the Beauty's Best Kept Secret. I don't know about that. No. I don't really want to put these back because I'm not going to do you any justice right now. Like, where'd you? Oh, well, where'd you? And then this freaking cutie patootie. Is that not a nice box? Yeah, that's how it's supposed to be. I was like, is that how? Oh, how do guys do it? Like with the fish? I don't know. I gotta go fishing, catch a fish, learn how guys do the fish picture pose. Anywho, I'm gonna go like run around the block a couple times, come back, and I want to see how good that translucent powder is. Maybe I just want to play with the puff. I don't know. I liked all the stuff I got in my box. Did you guys pick the same stuff I did? Or did Ipsy Boxycharm pick something different for your 2 items? Which my 2 were these 2. I don't know if I mentioned that. Ipsy Boxycharm by Ipsy picked these 2. The GIRKACTIK face spray and the $19 lip scrub. I'm not mad. It's great. What? It's $19. Oh my god. I can't say it without looking at $19 for a lip scrub. Anywho, I'm gonna go. I'm probably gonna pay with sweet powder. I love that face powder. It looks so cute. I'm wowed. Thanks for hanging out. I will catch you in my next video. Bye.